Hello guys, I got my order from camera Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the lens, so we're gonna install for my new phone. This one is the Samsung. It's nice. It's a dual when you camera without some kind of internet. It will like dual. It reflect like I'll show you. See right here. There, it's a good. See the camera. I show you the camera. Camera, guys. Look at the camera. It's clear. Move. It's clear and it reversed. See how it reversed. It's clear. It can reverse, guys. Nice camera. See. See me? It's nice camera, guys. It's a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So let's see, we're gonna install. This is my cover. So this is the back camera. I got 4 lens. So yeah, order in Amazon. There. So this is for the protector lens. So right now we're gonna clean it. Clean the thing. Instructions. So wipe one and dry. So first you're gonna wipe for the width and then dry. Right there. This is the wet. You use the wet first. Make sure it for the lens. So right there. This is my Samsung new phone, guys. I like this phone. Look at this. Nice. So we're gonna clean the thing. Make sure it's clean. It's protect. And then we're gonna dry it. We're gonna dry the thing. That's for the dry. Today I'm gonna work on the roof. Paint the roof. We'll show you some video, but I have to get ready the old stuff. Right there. So we're gonna wipe it up. We'll keep dry. And then we're gonna put the lens protector. Right there, guys. Just keep watching, guys. Look at this. My phone. I love this phone. Very nice. So right there, this is take up the thing. Right there. And then make sure it line up where it location, where it like this. So make sure it line up. Right there. So already got that there, guys. Very nice. Very nice. This protector for my thing. Camera. Right there, guys, already installed. Hope you enjoy my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Alright, look at this. So tomorrow we're gonna pick up the screen protector at Best Buy. And the guy will put it up, install to protect my screen. See, like this, too many, faster. It's 5G, faster internet, very nice. The one I got phone A6 is 4G. This one is 5G and a Verizon carrier. Very nice. Okay, bye bye.